Hello everyone! To blur a certain area in DaVinci Resolve, follow these steps. First, select the clip you want to add blur to by clicking on it in your timeline. Then, go to the Color tab in the bottom menu. Click on the window icon at the top toolbar. From there, select the Pen tool. Now, carefully draw around the area you want to blur, like this. Create a selection around the specific region. Once you've outlined the area, click on Effects in the left panel. In the search bar, type Blur to find the blur effects. Take the Gaussian Blur effect and drag it onto this node in the node editor. And voila! The selected area is now blurred. You can adjust the blur strength by clicking on the Gaussian Blur settings and changing the intensity slider. Increase or decrease the value to get your desired blur level. That's it! You've successfully blurred a specific area in DaVinci Resolve. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.